Hi guys, I was gifted from the seller this EPRO Select cordless vacuum, handheld vacuum, to show you all of its cool features. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and give you, let you see what it comes with. So you can tell everything is tightly packed. It is a compact box. We'll pull out all the parts. Looks like it comes with a stand that you plug in. It is attached to the stand, the plug is. Looks like it's got some heads, different heads that you can use. You can use this on a couch, you can use this in your cabinets, you can use this anywhere where you just need a little handheld vacuum. The actual vacuum part comes in a bag. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and add, this feature is very cool. It has a brush that is attached so you won't lose that part. We'll go ahead and attach it right in. So, as you can see, it has a touch button feature, so once you're done vacuuming what you need to vacuum, all you need to do is push this button that pops open. You dump out what you pick up and your hands don't get dirty. So it's very easy to use. There is a eco mode. So that you have an on-off switch and then you have a max button. So this has an eco mode and it also has a maximum mode. So we're going to turn it on. And that is the low setting. That is the high setting, low setting, high setting. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have a litter box from my daughter that she left it here. It is clean litter. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some on the floor and let you see the suction power of this nice little handheld vacuum. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I do have some litter box, some litter that's on the floor here. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on regular mode, and you can see it sucks up really nice to get in those little small crevices all around a litter box or around your laundry room, anything you're trying to get into close. This would be great for your car very quickly if you just wanted to get the crumbs out of your cup holders or anything like that. I will turn it on max mode so you can see the suction power. As you can tell, there's a lot of dust and dirt in there, and it just sucks it right up. And that's clean. So it works great on both modes, just depending on what you want to. It works great on both modes, just depending on what you need to pick up with it. I'll show you again over here. I'll just dump it back in this box right here, and I'll show you the one-touch feature of I don't have to touch anything. I can keep my hands clean. Just lift it and dump. And close it back up and it's ready to go. As you can see, I dumped everything I picked up right back in it with no issues whatsoever. Okay, so it also has a push button here that you would flip this over. You can push it. That doesn't work that way. You push it and then it pops off. This is where your filter is going to be. It comes with a HEPA filter, and it also comes with a strainer. As you can see, it does have some stuff in it from picking up the fine dust that I picked up with it. So it was definitely catching the little stuff. And it's very easy to put back together. You just put it right back in. You pop it right on, pop it right in there, and it clips right in and push it back on. So it's very simple to clean, very simple to take care of. Okay, so it comes with a little plastic piece The bottom has the port where you would plug it in at so that it would charge. You would just keep it like that. Each one of these you do not have to keep on, and you can, as you can see, you can just store them, the pieces right here, very simply. Everything is very compact, put together. If you had a little apartment or you have an animal that you want to clean up after very quickly and you don't want to haul out your big vacuum or haul out anything else, or shop vac or anything for your car, you could definitely use this one. It looks like it's going to be very handy. I would definitely, if you're in the market for a handheld vacuum, I would definitely pick this one up. Thanks.